got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. I was sponsored the drawing. Today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to design this particular 3D model in Archicad. As you can see, this design is a residential building, okay, of 8 bedroom. And for this particular design, I'll show you guys the renderings which was rendered with Twinmotion. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys a few things about this design. Is this was created, this right here, this glasses here. This wall glass was created with cutting wall tools. Okay, now if you look come close here at this side, also we also have the flat roof design. As you can see, this is just a flat roof design. We also have this design right here. This design was created with CI tools, and this also was created with CI tools. And if you come closer to this side here, this design right here is created with walls. That was what was created with all this. Okay, and just bear in mind that this design has two staircase. One has an hidden staircase, okay, for privacy, because of there's a lot of activities that's going to be going on in the house since it's a 8-bedroom design. So you want convenience and privacy for the people that are going to be staying in the house. For this tutorials, if you're new to my channel, I always make two kinds of tutorials for this particular kind of design. Okay, the first one is going to be for beginners, and the second one is going to be for professionals that are familiar with how to use Archicad tools. Okay, so for the beginners, I just want to go ahead with the basics and teach you guys the basics of how to go about drawing your plans. So if you are new to Archicad, you can have a clear understanding on how to draw the plans and bring out a 3D design by yourself. But if you're a professional, you have a little bit of understanding in Archicad, okay, or you have a full understanding in Archicad, I would suggest you skip the video to this number. That's if you want to know how to design only the 3D model of this particular design. Without any further ado, let's just get right into the business, because I'm going to be opening a new project in Archicad now. But for this video, I'm going to be using Archicad 27. I already have it opened right here. Okay, so as you can see, when you open a new project in Archicad, you're going to be having a blank space like this. All we have is only the elevations. That's the west elevations, the north, the east, and the south elevations. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to come and do for us to come and start sketching the design is you want to check the kind of unit you want to be using for the drawing. Okay, maybe it's going to be in meters, it's going to be in millimeters, or it's going to be in centimeters. Okay, whatever unit you guys use, you guys want to come and set that up for your design. Okay, but just have in mind that Archicad default unit settings is in millimeters. Okay, and I also use millimeters when I do my drawing. So I'll suggest you guys come to the options here. When you come to the options, you want to scroll down to project preferences. When you come to project preferences, you want to come to working unit right here. You click on the working unit and it's going to pop up. You're going to be seeing something like this length unit. You want to click on the millimeters, or you want to click on this arrow here. Now you can set it to be decimeters. You click on OK if that's what you use, but I use millimeters, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Then click on OK. Alright, so once you've done that, what you want to come and do next now to come and start sketching the design is, I'm going to come to design here, the design tab. We have the design tab here. This is all of the tools in the design tab. If you click on the design tab, it's going to collapse. If you click on the viewpoint, you're going to be having all the design tabs for the viewpoint here, or the tools for the viewpoint here. You click on the viewport again, and it's going to collapse. You click on the document section, now you're going to be having all the tools here, as you can see. And you click on it again, and yeah, you're going to be having something like this. If you click on the design tab, you click on the wall tool. Okay, this is a wall tool. You want to hold this down and select on this icon right here. If you're having this icon, I want you to come and change it. So if you hold this down, I want you to come and select on this icon right here. Okay, click on it, and that's going to be giving you this chained. It's going to give you this chained type look. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. It's going to give you something like this. Okay, I also want you to bear in mind about something when you guys are doing your designs in Archicad. Let's say, for instance, maybe you're doing your sketch. Okay, maybe you have a sketch like this, and maybe you kind of made a mistake like this. Okay, as you can see, kind of made a mistake, this mistake right here. Okay, what you want to do is just click on backspace on your keyboard. Okay, click backspace again, and it's going to go to the previous point that you made here. Okay, so this works for literally every design, any tool that you're trying to work with in Archicad. Okay, and this is also very, very important to be using your chained type drawing. Okay, it's very, very important. It works for literally any design or any tool in Archicad. Okay, so just bear that in mind. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight all of this and delete it. So the next thing I want us to come and do is click on the wall tool again. Click on the settings dialog here. Now for every tool you're going to be working on here, if you click on the dot tool, the dot tool has its own settings dialog. If you click on the roof tool, it has its own settings dialog. If you click on any tool here, it has its own settings dialog. Okay, so if you click on the wall tool, you come here and click the settings dialog, and you come here to come and set up whatever design you want for the wall. Okay, the first thing I want you to come and do is come and click on this first icon here. Click on the first icon, and it's going to be asking for your wall thickness, and I want you to come and select the wall thickness will be 225. Okay, once you enter 225, just come here and click on OK. Okay, and you'll be good. So if you click and if you do any design here, you're going to be having that being shown. Okay, now the next thing I want you to come and do is click on the settings dialog, click this generic. Okay, and I want you to come and look for airspace frame. All right, see this airspace frame, just click on it and click on OK. So if you come here now and click, double click, you're gonna be seeing a difference between this and this, because this is giving us the default Archicad look, and this is giving us our own default look for the project. Okay, so changing that to airspace frame is going to give us that look. Okay, so that's important, you guys also do that for your designs. Also bear in mind that using airspace frame is also going to change the way our 3D actually looks like. Okay, I'm not going to get into that, but I don't want to let you guys know that using airspace frame is going to change the way our default look is going to be looking like in the 3D model. Okay, so literally all you're going to be seeing in the 3D model is this white color also, but if you use this is also going to be showing you the same type of look. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight this and I'm going to delete it. So now that I've said that about the beginning of the project, just bear that in mind, because that's very important, you guys know that. Now the next thing I'm going to come and do for also come and start sketching the plan is for also come to the document tab here, click on the tab here, and also come and select on the line tool. And select on the line tool. I want it to come to the side here. Click on it and come and select on the black color. Click on the dark color, or you can decide to use maybe the red color for instance, or any other color you have in mind. Okay, now make sure you're selecting on this chain, not this. Okay, you want to select on the chain. All right, you can decide to still click on the single. It still depends on your choice. Okay, so just click on the chain. Now I want you to give a distance from those are the bottom surface here. Just click here, drag it like this, and let's give a distance of 7244. Click enter on your keyboard. So I want you to make sure that you're actually making this you're actually following me the way I'm actually making the design. Okay, this is very, very important because I'm trying to sketch the ground floor plan design out. Okay, so that we can go ahead to do the exterior walls, then come inside and do the interior walls. So that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, so just make sure that you guys are following me and you guys are getting the right dimension. From here to here is 7244. All right, I want to start it from this side to this side here. Okay, it's very, very important you guys do that. I'm just going to reduce this again. All right, so you want to click on the wall on just click here, drag it like this, and give a distance of 7244. Click enter on your keyboard and take it up and give another distance of 50006. Click enter on your keyboard, take it like this and give a distance of 2188. Click enter, take it up again and give another distance of 3387. All right, take it like this and give another distance of 1293. Click enter and take it up again, give it a distance of 6891. Click enter, then take it back like this and give a distance of 1291. Click enter, take it up again and give a distance of 3625. Click enter, then take it like this again and give a distance of 4740. Click enter. Okay, take it down again and give a distance of 1194. All right, click enter, take it like this and give a distance of 3230. Click enter, take it down again and give a distance of 4207. Click enter, take it like this and give a distance of 2739. Click enter. Now take it down and give a distance of 7065. Click enter, take it inside back and give a distance of 1275. Click enter. Now I want you to just come down here and select this side I started from again. Just click on it. You're going to be having the shape come outside like this. Okay, so since we've been able to form the shape for the ground floor plan, I just want us to come and start shaping it out. I already have the sketch already down in place. That's how I'm able to design this. Okay, so once you come to the design tab here, click on the design tab, you click on the wall tool here. So click on the wall tool, just come here, click, drag like this. If the wall is coming outside, just start dragging from this side to this side, so it's going to be inside. All right, or better still, if you want to start from here to this side and the wall is starting outside, if you want the wall to be starting inside, all you can do is just come to this side here, click this and select the inside face. When you select the inside face, you're going to see that the wall is going to be inside. Okay, so that's how to make your wall to be inside or outside. Okay, so you want to click this side, all right, and start sketching out the whole thing. Then you come back here, you click. Once you click, you're going to be having the shape come outside like this. Okay, now the next thing I want us to do is I want us to click on this marquee tool here, this tool here. Click on it, highlight all of this. All right, I want you to come to the document section. You click on the document section, click on the line tool, press Ctrl A on your keyboard, So press Ctrl A on your keyboard. I want you to press delete on your keyboard. Alright, once you press delete, press escape on your keyboard. Alright, so you're going to be seeing the full shape come also like this. We have 2 bedrooms on the ground floor with the kitchen, the laundry area, the eating stairs, and also the second staircase, the living room and the dining area. Okay, what I want you to come and do is just click on this wall here. Okay, once you click on the wall, you notice that all of the walls selected is being selected at the same time. Okay, but we don't want this. Okay, you only want to select just this wall right here, so we can try and extend it to this side here. So for us to actually rectify this, okay, what we can do is to come to this icon here. All right, click on this icon here, click on it. As you can see, I'm going to press escape on my keyboard now. So once this icon is being selected, if I click on this wall, it's only this wall that's going to be selected. Okay, it's going to be showing me 2 nodes at the end side of it. Okay, so you can select on this node. Once you select on the node, a box is going to appear. This box is going to appear. You can start to move your cursor around this angle here, click, and you can drag it to any position of your choice. Okay, once you click the node, this box is going to appear and it's going to be asking you, maybe you want to stretch the wall like this, you want to also drag the wall, you want to rotate the wall, you want to mirror the wall, you want to elevate and multiply. Okay, but for this node that I want to do right now, I only want to stretch. So as you can see, the stretch is being selected, so I'm just going to stretch it to this side here and just click. All right, once I click, I'm going to be having the design come outside like this, and now I'm going to press escape on my keyboard. Now select on this wall again, on this other wall, click this node here, stretch to this side and stop around this side. All right, press escape on your keyboard. I want you to hold down Alt on your keyboard and select this wall. Okay, once you do that, just put the cursor here, allow it to load up. Now I want you to just put the cursor here and give a distance of 1470. Click enter on your keyboard and drag it down like this. Double click this side. Okay, once you do that, put the cursor here again, allow it to load up, and let's give another distance of 1000. Click enter, drag it down, then double click this side. Now put the cursor here again, allow it to load up, and let's give a distance of 1720. Click enter, just double click this side. Now put the cursor here again, allow it to load up, let's give a distance of 1875. Click enter, and I want you to drag this down to the side here. Just double click this side like so. Now put the cursor here again, allow it to load up. Now let's give a distance of 1568. Click enter. Now drag this down, but I want to make sure that this wall is starting at the other side, and okay, it's going to be starting at the other side, so I'm going to come to the side here, click this, change it to be outside face, so it's going to be like so, and I'm just going to drag this down to this side here, double click. All right, now I don't want this wall here, so I'm going to hold down Control my keyboard and cut out. Okay, I'm going to Control Z. What I did was I held down Control my keyboard and I left click. Okay, so that I can be able to cut out the side away. Now I want to put the cursor here again, allow it to load up. Now let's give a distance of 3240. Click enter, drag it like this, but make sure that the wall is starting at the other side. So you want to click this side and change it to be inside face, and just double click this side. Now I want you to come to this side here, put the cursor here, allow it to load up, and let's give a distance of 1791. Click enter, shoot it like this, and just double click this side here. Please just make sure that in case maybe, just make sure you're trying to make it like a straight line. Okay, if the line is not straight enough, if the line is coming to something around this side, what you want to do is hold down shift on your keyboard. Once you hold down shift, you can be able to create that straight line you're looking for. Okay, that's very, very important you guys do that, so that your line doesn't, the shape of your video doesn't look odd. Okay, now let's put the cursor here again, allow it to load up, and let's give a distance of 1791. Click enter, and just double click this side. Put the cursor here again, allow it to load up, and let's give a distance of 3000. Click enter, and I want to make sure the wall is starting at the other side, so you want to click this, change to be outside face, and just double click this side. Now the next thing I want us to do is just click this side here, click on this node, stretch it like this, then click. All right, click on the design tab, click on the wall tool again, put the cursor here. Now let's give a distance of 3000, click enter and double click this side. Okay, now hold down Control on your keyboard. Okay, left click, left click, left click. Okay, for this side now, once it's come to the document tab, click on the line tool, click this, stretch it down and give a distance of 1551, double click or just click enter on your keyboard. Click this wall here, click on this node, stretch it back like this, hold on shift on your keyboard and click this side. Alright, click on this line, delete it. Alright, so what I did there was that I made sure that this line, okay, this line, I made sure I get a dimension for this side here using the line. Then I came back and edited the wall to make sure it forms with that particular dimension for the line. Okay, just for the side here. Okay, so that's what I did. So as you can see, this is how to draw a design in Archicad. We are done with the ground floor plan. Okay, even though we are not 100% done, but we are done with the ground floor plan. What we need to come on is come on fixing the doors and the windows for this particular design. Okay, please also be in mind and take note that remember that we used curtain wall, we used wall glass here, as you can see, for the windows here. Okay, we use what windows there, we use wall glass here, and this is only the size that you can see. The toilet window, we have the kitchen area a little bit. Okay, and this too. Okay, so I'm only going to be placing the windows for this side here, and I'm going to come back to come and place the curtain wall at the final side of the video, because there's a lot of explanation that need to go into this area. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I want to try and make sure the basics is being understood properly, so that we don't get confused with the drawing, because the curtain wall is going to be another, it's going to take a lot of time for me to explain that, so that you guys really understand that. So for the floor plans now, we're going to make sure that I try fixing the toilet windows and give you guys how to go about the opening of the doors. Okay, so for you to open the door here, what you just have to do is just come to the design tab. You want to click on the door tool here, click on the door tool here, just come to this side here, click and click like this. Okay, so what I did was that whenever you want to open a door in Archicad, you want to come to the area you want to open the door. So let me say this area right here, you want to click. Okay, now the second click is going to ask you which side you want to open the door. So I want to open the door like this, so I'm just going to click this side. So what you do is that you click twice. Okay, that's very important, you guys know that. Okay, you can decide to just come here again, click. All right, so you click twice. So I'm just going to be fixing the doors where the doors ought to be for this particular design. Also, I wanted to take note of something. There are some doors that some doors have dimensions. Like this particular door is not going to fit in. So what you want to do now is press escape on your keyboard, click on this edge of the door, come to the side and change it to be 750, click enter. So once you do this, you want to click on this node here. Okay, come to this side and select this drag and click this side, press escape on your keyboard. Now since we've already made this particular design because this is going to be a toilet and this is also going to be a toilet, so what you want to do is just put down alt on your keyboard, select on this door itself, come to the side here and let's open another door here, click. We also need the door here too, so you want to come open the door here, you want to just click. Okay, now we need there to be an opening here and also an opening here. So what you want to do now is also come to the document section, click on the line tool here, click on it, click on this edge here, move it down, double click. Once you do that, press Ctrl on your keyboard, cut out the side. Okay, now press escape again, click this line and delete it. So if you click this again, you can decide to just reduce it downwards by clicking on the stretch icon and just reduce it a little bit like so. Okay, now click on the line tool again, click this, stretch it like this and give it a distance of 900, click enter on your keyboard, click enter again. All right, click this wall, click on the node, stretch it like this, click this line again, let's change the color of the line to be like dark color. All right, and click this solid, let's change it to be the dashed. Okay, click this and that's going to change into that. Now for us to make a duplicate of this line, you want to right click, okay, go to move, you're gonna be seeing drag a copy. Click this. Now click this node. Okay, hold on shift on your keyboard while doing that and just click this edge. Once you do that, click the wall again, click on the node and move it closer to the line, then you click. All right, so this indicates that this is there's an arc here. All right, for the design. What we did here, you want to come here, come and do the same thing. Click this line, hold on shift on your keyboard, click this, right click, go to move, and let's drag a copy. Click this edge here, all right, and move it to the side here. Okay, click this wall, click this node, move it closer to the side here. Okay, so you're gonna be having a design come outside like that. Okay, so it's just indicate that there's an arc here. All right, for the window now, if you want to come and place in the windows, what you want to do is you just come to the design tab here. You want to come to the window tool, click on the settings dialog. You're going to be seeing a series of windows here. You want to come to the sliding windows, you want to click this, all right, or you can see decide to select you can go to the single double hung windows, select this, all right, and click on OK on your keyboard. You want there to be a window here, so you just want to maybe come to this side here, click. All right, once you double click like that, you want to click on the window itself and you want to come and change the dimensions, because you don't want the dimensions to be 900, you want it to be 600. So you come here and change it to be 600, you click enter. Okay, and that's gonna be in this shape. So hold on alt on your keyboard, select this window to come and use the window here again, click. All right, we also need the window here too. So that is that for now. That is just how to fix in the windows for the design. Okay, now if you guys want to also know how to add the bedroom area, that's the bedroom, the bathtub, what else I have to do is just this is going to be a toilet here, so I'm just going to come to the design tab here and I'm going to double click. I want to look for the object tool. This is the object, so I'm going to double click on the object tool. Now I'm going to click this what looks like a chair, click on it, and it's going to be showing you different kind of appliances in the house. Okay, better still, what you can do is you just search for it, just search for the WC, and it's going to be showing you a series of this right here, so you can decide to select any one of your choice. I'm going to select on this one, click on OK. Now whatever I want it to be, I'm just going to click. All right, so it's going to be right there. Okay, let me see, I want another one to be here too, so I'm just going to click that side, and if I click on the settings dialog again, I can search for bath. Okay, it's going to be showing me bathtub. There are different kind of bathtub. I'm just going to go with this one since it's going to go with our design that we have in hand. So I'm just going to click on OK. All right, and I'm going to click. As you can see, this bathtub is like this. All right, so you want to click on it and rotate it. So for it to rotate it, you click on it, right click, you go to move, and you're gonna be something like rotate. Click on the rotate, click this, drag it like this, click, drag it like this, click. All right, click on this node. Okay, come to the side here and select drag, and just this point like so. Okay, press escape on your keyboard, you're gonna be good like so. Okay, so this is how to add the template if you want to add the object tool in Archicad. Okay, concerning the basin, you double click on the object tool again, and let's look for basin. Okay, so you can decide to use different kind of basin. As you can see, there are different types of basin here. All right, we have all of this. I'm going to select on this one and click on OK. Come here and click. Once I do that, I'm going to click this again and press Ctrl E to rotate it. That's the shortcut key for rotate, and just rotate like so, and come to the side here. All right, click on this node here and select this side like so. Okay, so you can decide to readjust this if it's already exceeding the dimensions that we have in hand. Okay, you can decide to just click on the node here, come here and select this move node. All right, you can just come here and just click like so. Okay, so it's gonna be as small like this. Okay, so that's very important. You guys just learn that in Archicad if you guys want to put in your object tool. Okay, the same thing also works with the, since this is going to be the room, the bedroom, we're going to double click this again. That's the object tool. Double click on the object tool, and let's look for bed. Okay, you're gonna be seeing some bed here. Just select on any one, maybe this one for instance. Okay, and click on OK, and you click. Once you click, press escape on your keyboard. Click on the mattress itself. Okay, on the bed itself. Press Ctrl E on your keyboard to rotate it. Click this node. Click, drag like this. Click. Alright. Click on this pink stuff, or you can decide to just press this, or just click this side here, and click on the drag, and just move it to this edge here. Alright, so you're gonna be having the design come outside like so. Okay, you can do the same thing for this other side. You can duplicate this one, click this, right click, go to move, and select drag a copy. Click this side, click on it again, go to the move, click on the rotate, click this, drag, click, rotate it like this, and click. Alright, click on this node here and move it closer to the wall here. So this is one of the ways for you to go about the design in Archicad. Okay, this is also going to be the wardrobe area. You can look for wardrobe here. As you can see, we have wardrobe here. As you can see, there's series of wardrobes. If you guys want to use them, it's all to your choice. Let's say we use this for instance. You click on OK, you come here, you click. All right, so if you click this, press Ctrl D to move this closer to this side here. Click on this, click on this node, and make sure you're selecting this move node and move it closer to this side here. Okay, you can decide to maybe increase this, click this node and move it closer to the side here like so. So this is one of the ways to set in your wardrobe. Come and do the same thing for this other side. So you're going to be having the design being shown like this. So we have the side for the wardrobe. Okay, this side is for the toilet, this side is for the visitor's toilet also. And just decide to just mess around with it so you guys can have a clear understanding on how to go about that. Okay, now if you want to dimension your work, what you can do is to just come to the tab here. You want to click on the dimension tool here, and you just want to click, right click on OK, then click. You're going to be having a dimension come outside like this. Okay, you want to do the same thing for the exterior dimensions also. That's very important. You guys do that. I'm just going to say a few things about dimensions because I did a video on how to do dimensions in Archicad. I suggest you guys check the description of this video so you guys can have a clear understanding on how to go about that. Okay, now what you want to do is just hold on Alt, select on this dimension that we're having here. Maybe you want to do the exterior, for instance. You want to just click, then click. If you make a mistake here, as you can see, this is not being dimensioned. You want to click on it again back. Okay, now click this again, and that's going to actually pick the right dimensions for us. All right, now you right click, you click on OK, then you click. You're going to be having dimensions being shown like this. Okay, to get the exterior dimension, you click this side, then you click this side, you click on OK, then you move it like this, then you click. Okay, you're going to be having a design being shown like so. Okay, now for you to change these dimensions, as you can see, these dimensions in meters. If you want to change the dimension to be millimeters, you want to come to the options here. You want to scroll down to the project preferences and click on the dimensions here, and you want to come and select display millimeter and click on OK. Now that's going to change into millimeters for you. Okay, so that's one way to go about that. I'll suggest you guys check the description of this video so you guys can have a clear understanding on how to do your dimensions properly in Archicad. Okay, now I'm just going to align this and delete it. Okay, I don't want it to be messing our work. I'm just going to delete it. Okay, the next thing we'll go into is the text. Click on the text, and wherever we want the text to be located, for instance, let's say we want the text to be located maybe around here. Okay, I'm just going to click, drag, click. Okay, now I want to come to this side here and just write whatever is going to be here. Let's say living. Once I write the living area, I'm going to click outside of the box, press escape on my keyboard, click on the living area again to come and edit the living area, you can decide to untick the bold. Alright, as you can see, you can start to make it to be italic. As you can see, you have to come here, click on it and change the color maybe to be this green color. Alright, you can also decide to untick the italic, so you can do a lot of effect here. You can also change the thickness, the size. Okay, the size of it, you can change it to be 2 mm. Click enter, and that's gonna be something like this. Make a duplicate of this, click this, press Ctrl Shift D on your keyboard, click this, move it here, click, double click on this, and let's change this to be the dining area. Okay, click outside the box. You can start to change this color to be another color, maybe something like this. Okay, click this again, press Ctrl Shift D, click this edge, move it to this side, double click on this. Right, I like this and give it change it to be the kitchen. Click outside the box, let's change the color to be something like this. So you just have a series of ways you guys can go about that. Okay, so just bear that in mind that you can also do that in Archicad. The next thing let's come on to is come on fixing the staircase. Okay, at this side here, okay, it's going to be a staircase here. So also come to the design tab here. Once you come to the design tab, click on the stair 2 here. As you can see, this is the stair 2. Click on the stair 2, click on the settings dialog. Now I want you to come and change this one to be 0. Change this one to be 0. Come here and change this one to be 15. Okay, once you do that, once you're done with that, just click on OK on your keyboard. Once you've done that, I suggest you guys come to the document section here, click on the line tool, click a point here, drag it like this and give it the distance of 1, 2. Click enter, take it back like this and double click this side. Okay, once you do that, go back to the design tab, click on the stair tool, click on the settings dialog, click this and let's change it to be around let me say 20. Okay, click on OK. Now click this, drag it like this, click this side, click this again and drag it to this side and just click. Okay, once you do that, click on the staircase again, click on the settings dialog. I want you to come and reduce this by 15 and click on OK. So once you do that, it's gonna shorten like this. Come here and change it and change the stair width to be 1, 2. Alright, change it to be 1, 2. Click enter on your keyboard and you're gonna be having the design come outside like this. Okay, now we have the side is gonna be the landing. They're going to be starting from here, 1, 2, land here, and they move from the 3 to the 11th, and they're going to also land here, and they're going to be having 13, 14, 15, like so. Now click on this line to delete it. Click this line to also and delete it. We also have another staircase here at the back here, so also facing the staircase at this side. Though this is going to be different from this one, so what we just have to do is just work. I'm going to hold on Alt, select on this staircase itself as usual. Then we're going to come to this side here. So just come to this edge here. Though I didn't give a proper dimension from here to here where it's going to be starting, but just make sure you come to this side here and you just click like so, drag it like this, you click, you drag it back like this. Okay, come to this side, you click, make sure you click on backspace in case you make a mistake. Okay, click on backspace, come to this side and click again, then move it backwards like this. Alright, move it forward rather like this and come to this side here and select this. Just select that, just stretch it like this and click on the 15 and click again. So once you do this, you're gonna be having the design being shown like this. You can decide to select the staircase itself, click on this node and stretch it downwards like this, maybe to this point here. Okay, once you do that, click on this node again and move it backwards, then click. Alright, so you're gonna be have it form with the shape of this one. Okay, so we have the 1, 2, 3, 4. They're gonna be landing here and they go all the way up to the side here. Okay, so that's the way I was able to come about the design that you see here. Okay, now we have the hidden staircase here. Here is also going to be the washing area, as you can see, where the laundry is going to be. They're going to be washing, so that's why they have a door that leads outside. Okay, so when you come here, you can put in your laundry here, and also for the rooms that are going to be upstairs also. Okay, now we are done with the ground floor plan. What we want to come and do is do the sketches for the first story and the second story. Okay, now for us to do the first story, for instance, what we just have to do is just We're going to right click on the ground floor plan, okay, and click on this show as trace reference. Okay, even though we are on the first story, for instance, I'm going to show you guys something. Even though we are on the first story, we are going to right click on the ground floor, click on this show as trace reference so you can see what we have on the ground floor. Okay, but though you can't select anything here, only the staircase can be selected. Okay, just bear that in mind. So what you want to do is you want to come click on the wall 2 here. To come to the wall 2, just come to this side here. Okay, just sketch out what you have on the ground floor plan. Okay, once you sketch that out, just come to this side here and turn off this trace reference that you did for the ground floor plan. You want to turn it off. Come to this icon here and untick it. So once you do that, you're not going to be seeing anything. Then you can decide to come to this side now and start sketching out the design. Okay, so now I'm going to fast forward this side and I'm trying to do so that the video doesn't get longer than usual, but I want to make sure that you guys follow me as I design this. Okay, it's very important you guys do that. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead now with the first story design. So any part that requires me for me to maybe to speak, I'm just going to speak about that. Okay, but the design is just similar to what we have on the ground floor plan, and since I've already done the sketch for the ground floor plan, I feel like you guys already have an understanding how to go about the first story. Okay, alright, so without any further ado, let's just get right into the business. So I'm going to click this and show it like this and click this side. So hold down Control and cut out this side like this. So we are done with the sketch for the first story, but there's a little bit of adjustment that we need to make, like for this room now. Okay, so I'm going to click on the document section here, click on the line 2, click this edge of the wall here, click on it, drag it like this and give a distance of 5.2, click enter twice. Alright, once you do that, press escape on your keyboard, click on the design tab, click on this wall 2, click on this line edge here, take it up, double click. Alright, click this, click on this node, try it like this, click this wall again, click this node, move it here, click this, click on this node, stretch it here, hold down Control, cut out and cut out this side also, click on this line to delete it. Okay, so it's important for you guys to actually do that for the design. It's very, very important you guys do that. There's also a veranda here. Now you click on the answer to come to just come to the document section here and click on the line tool. Click this edge straight like this and give a distance of 1257. Click enter and just move it like this, then double click. Alright, click this, press Ctrl Shift D on your keyboard to make a duplicate. Click this, move it upward and give it a distance of 225. Click enter. Okay, click this also, press Ctrl Shift D, click this and give it a distance of 225. Click enter. Alright, now just make sure this aligns with this one and cut out this side by holding down Ctrl. Okay, highlight all of this at the same time. Click this and let's look for a dash small. So you're going to be having design being shown like that. Okay, so just have in mind that what you need to do next is come and fixing the doors and the windows for this particular design. So you want to come to the ground floor plan, just hold on Alt, select on this door. Okay, to pick the door, go to the first story and just start placing them where they ought to be for the design. So the rest that we have here is going to be a toilet door. So I'm going to go to the ground floor plan, hold on Alt and select on this toilet door, click on it, go to the first story, and I'm also going to place a toilet door here. Now don't forget that we also did the design that we did for the ground floor plan. We're going to be following that also. Just click this, hold on Shift and click this, press Ctrl C on your keyboard to make a copy of this, and you go to the first story and you want to press Ctrl V. Okay, just click this, move it here, click outside the box, hold on Alt, select on this line. Okay, just cut it like this, hold on Ctrl, cut out the side, click this and delete it. Okay, click this, hold on Shift, click this, press Ctrl D, click this node and move it here. Okay, click on this wall, click on this node, stretch it like this and stretch it back, something like this. Okay, then do the same thing for this other side too. So you want to come and fixing that's all this object too. You want to come and fix them up in that particular side. Okay, then go to the first story, and as you can see, we are done with the first story design. We're fixing the doors. What you want to come and do next is just go and pick the windows for this. Hold on Alt, select this, go to the ground floor plan, to the first story rather, and just fix the toilets where they ought to be. There's going to be a toilet here. What we're going to come and do next is for us to come and fix the second story. Okay, but for us to draw the second story, I wanted to right click on these stories here and click on this create new story and just click create. Once you do that, go to the second story. Okay, come to the first story here and click create and click this show as trace reference, click on it. All right, now I wanted to come and sketch out what we have on the first story. Okay, so once I've done this, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to come and sketch out the design, but make sure that just have in mind that there are some things that are actually constant in the drawing. Like this shape right here is very constant in the drawing, because if you come to the side, you can click this and you can just decide to sketch out this back. All right, so this is constant in the drawing. Just have that in mind. So since we made this design, what I want us to come and do is just come to this side to turn off the trace reference. Now just click this side here, shows it like this. All right, click this also, click this straight like this. All right, hold on control, cut out the side.
This is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't balling yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them.
We are done with the design for the second story. What we want to come and do is fixing the staircase, the two staircase, the doors and the windows. Okay. Now for you to go about that, what you want to do is go to the ground floor plan, click on this. Now just zoom out properly. Hold on shift, click on this one also, press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Once you do that, go to the first story and press Ctrl V and just click outside the box. Once you click outside the box, go to the second story, and I'm also going to be having that being shown on the second story. Okay, since the staircase are the side, they are the same kind of design. They move the same way, so we just did the copy. Okay, so it's make our work much more faster in Archicad. Okay, now for this other side, go to the first story and copy the same design, press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Now double click on the second story, press Ctrl V and click outside the box. You're going to be having the same thing being shown like this. You can decide to hold on Alt, select on this line, then you just double click this side, click this and double click this side. Okay, now you want to go and do the same thing for this other side. Okay, so you can decide to click this, or you can decide to just hold on Alt, select on this line and just cut out this side like this, click on the line and delete it. Okay, so you're gonna be having something come outside like that. Click this, hold on shift, click this, press Ctrl Shift D, click this node, move it here. Okay, click this, move it back, click this and move it forward again. Click on this line and move it properly to this point here. Now we have to have that in mind that we also have another veranda here and another veranda here. So what we want to come and do right now is just hold on Alt, select on this line. Okay, just come here and shape it, just shape it, double click this side, do the same thing for this other side too. Click this, then double click this side. You can decide to just hold on Control, cut out, hold on Control, cut out. Okay, click this, hold on, press Ctrl Shift D and make a duplicate of this, give it 225. Click this and also do the same thing. Click this, press Ctrl Shift D and make a duplicate of 225. Click this, press Ctrl Shift D and make a duplicate of 225. Click enter. Okay, then you cut out the side also. So you're gonna be having the veranda here also, the veranda here also. Okay, now next thing I'm supposed to come and do is to come and fixing the doors and the windows. Okay, so go to the first story. Let's go and pick in the toilet windows. Hold on Alt, select on this toilet door rather. Go to the second story and we have to place them where they ought to be. So that is that. We want to come to the first story again and select the 900 size door. Hold on Alt, select this. Go to the second story and let's place them where they ought to be also. But for this door, I think we have like a different kind of door here. So I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to click on this door, click on the settings dialog, and I'm going to look for a sliding door. Okay, this kind of sliding door. I'm going to scroll and select I'm going to select this one, exterior double sliding door, and click on OK. Alright, once I do that, I'm going to click on this node and try and move it to be at the center. Okay, hold on Alt, select this, and let's bring open on that door here. And for this other side, we're going to do the same thing. Alright, so we have there's going to be an opening here also. So you're gonna be having, there's gonna be an arc here. This side is gonna be where the wardrobe area is gonna be, and here's gonna be the toilet. Okay, so there's gonna be a door here. What we want to come and do is come and sketch out the 3D section of this particular design. Okay, for us to sketch out the 3D section of this particular design, what we have to do is just come to the 3D section here. Okay, and you're gonna be seeing just this plain surface. If you click on this icon right here, that's this explore, you can decide to just move around your building by clicking on the WASD keys on your keyboard. Okay, if you want to move faster, you click on one of the WASD keys and you click shift on your keyboard to move faster inside the building. Okay, so that's very, very important you guys do that. As you can see, this is the design that we have in hand, and this is the sketch that we just made. Okay, that's a ground floor plan, first floor plan, and the second story. Okay, so we're going to try our best to modify this so that we can have the look that we had at the beginning of the tutorial. Okay, so as you can see, we are looking for something like this. This is what we have in mind. Okay, so we're going to try our best to sketch this out. So since we're done with the ground floor plan, we're going to be working on the 3D model. For us to work on the 3D model, the first thing I want us to come and do is we're going to have to correct the doors and the window sizes and remodel them in the proper way they ought to be. Okay, now we're going to come to the foundation to come and sketch out the foundation. Okay, now let's say for this toilet windows, we want to try and reduce them to make them have the proper dimensions that we want them to have, and also these doors, that's the external doors. So for us to change the model for these doors, just the exterior doors, click this, hold on shift, click this. Okay, now let's look for another exterior doors. I think there ought to be one here. Okay, hold on shift, click this also, and hold on shift, click this. So click on the settings dialog here, click this, and let's change it to be maybe staff 2. Click the handle and let's look for handle 2 also, then click on OK. So you're gonna be having a design being shown like that. Okay, since this is in wood finish, as you can see, this is in wood model. You want to change to be the iron, metal iron. Okay, so just back up, go back and redo it again. Okay, now I'm doing that so that I can select all of the doors back for us automatically. So click on the settings dialog and let's go and model the door. Click this side, go to the model attribute here, or come to the model attribute here, just double click on this, click this, and let's look for iron. Just search for iron, then click this also, click this, go to the model here, double click on this, and let's look for iron, then click enter. Click this and let's look for opening lines. Double click on this, click on the opening line here, and you click on OK. Once you do that, if you can see carefully at our design here, you'll be seeing that we have the doors being changed like so. Okay, so that's one of the ways to go about that in Archicad. For the windows, you want to do the same thing for the windows also, and we want to make sure that these toilet windows are being reduced. They're not as long as, they're not supposed to be as long as this. So I'm just going to reduce this. Click on this node, click on the stretch vertically, and reduce, bring this down and give another distance of maybe say 1150. Click enter. So you're going to be having this design being shown like that. Okay, now for you to make sure that this size of the window is accustomed to the rest of the windows that you have in the drawing, you want to make sure that this particular one, okay, has the right models that you want to use. Okay, you can select this, click on the settings dialog and click this icon, click on the model here, double click on this, click this, and let's look for an aluminium. Click enter, click this also again, come here and select this casing inside, double click on this. Once you double click on that side, click this and let's look for model here, click on the model, double click on this and let's look for titanium white. Click enter. Okay, click on OK, click escape on your keyboard, and you're going to be having the design being shown like that. Okay, so now we want the same feature for the rest of the windows, the rest of the toilet windows. So what we just have to do is just hold down Alt on my keyboard, select on this window, press Ctrl Alt, select on this window. Now wherever the windows ought to be, I'm just going to press Ctrl Alt, select this, select this, select this, select this. So that's going to change into that particular kind of window for us. Okay, hold down Ctrl Alt, select this, select this, select this, select this. Okay, press escape on your keyboard and you're going to be having a design for the toilet windows being shown like that. Okay, now the next thing we want to work on is the slab. Okay, so for us to go about the slab, okay, so I'm just going to go to the ground floor here, just this side, double click on the ground floor, and as you can see, this is what we have now. So we are going to try our best to sketch out this this building right here. Okay, that's a ground floor sketch. So for we to use the slab for that, we have to come to the slab tool here, click on the slab tool, that's under design. Okay, click on the settings dialog and click this first icon. Okay, change the slab thickness here to be 250. Okay, once you do that, click this side, that's this edge surface, click on it, click this, and let's look for titanium white so we can have the model for that edge. Okay, so just click this side and change this one to be 250, then click on OK. And once you are done, I want you to just click this edge here. But before you click this edge, make sure you are selecting on this rectangular and not this one. Make sure you're selecting on this one. So just click this edge here, drag it like this and click. Once you do that, press escape on your keyboard, click this. You're going to be clicking on the slab itself. Click on this node and this box is going to appear. I want you to come and select this subtract from polygon. Just click on it. Once you click on it, click this edge here. I don't want this side to be covered by the slab, so I'm going to click this side and it's going to cut it out for me automatically. Okay, now for this side here, this side also needs to be covered so it can form with the shape of the building. I'm going to click on this node now. I'm going to select this auto polygon. Okay, once I select this auto polygon, I'm going to click this side, stretch it like this and click this side. Okay, now that's going to be covered like so. So come to this side now. Okay, click this node. Okay, select this subtract from polygon, click this, straight to this side and click. So it's going to cut out that side away. And for this other side, you want to do the same thing. Click this and click. All right, now for this other side that is being opened, okay, you just want to click this edge here and come and select this offset edge so you can move this edge to meet this side, then click. All right, you want something like this. Now this one is back to normal, so you want to click this again and make sure you're selecting this subtract from polygon and just click, then click this side. Okay, now you're going to be having that being cut off. As you can see, the slab itself conforms with the building. We want the side to be left like this, so this side can be the veranda for the kitchen. Okay, so I'm going to press escape on my keyboard and now we're going to go to the 3D section. So now the next thing I want to do is going to do the slab for the first floor. Okay, go to the ground floor plan. I want you to just click on the slab here. Okay, go to the first story. Now I want the slab settings for the first story to be 150, so you can just come here, delete the 2 and put 1 there, so it's going to be 150. Now select this, drag it to this side, then click. Okay, once you do that, click on the slab, and just as I did on the ground floor plan, you want to come and start doing that on this side too. Okay. So now we're done with this. Let's go to 3D view to go and check it. As you can see, this is it right here. Click on the slab, click on the settings dialog. Let us model this side to be titanium white and click on OK. Alright, so we're gonna be having it being shown like this. Okay, let's do the same thing for the second story. Okay, so you want to go to the second story here. Alright, now go to the first story, just click on it. Since the external shape for the first story is the same thing as almost the same thing as the second story, just go to the first story, click on this empty space, press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy the slab, go to the second story, press Ctrl V and paste it, then click outside the box. So once you do that, click on this slab itself, and just to take note of that it has covered the necessary places that I need to cover in the plans. Okay, so as you can see, it's covered it perfectly for us. So let's go to 3D view to check that out, and you're gonna be having something like this. So if you're having any problems like this, as you can see, just click on this wall. Okay, just try and delete the wall. What I mean by problems is that you're not supposed to be seeing this right here. As you can see, it's a little bit of a mistake that I've done with the wall. So click this and delete the wall. Okay, this is happening on the first story, so you want to go there and go and rectify that. Go to the second story, go to the first story here, and just hold on Alt on one of the walls to pick the walls. Now click this, stretch it like this, and let's make this this wall to facing the other side. So click this, click the inside face, and there's just hold on Shift, then click again. Okay, click this, that's I'm clicking on the slab now. Click this edge and move it outside like this. Click this again and take it back, then click. All right, go to your 3D view, and as you can see, now we've rectified the one for the downside. Now let's rectify for the one for the upper side here. Now let's change this one. You can also decide to just zoom in properly here like this. Okay, and so click this, click on this blue stuff, click this and move it inside and click. Okay, click it again and come and pick this point now. Just click on it, press escape on your keyboard, and that little stuff you're seeing is going to be gone away from the surface. So you just want to zoom in and just do the same thing. You want to try and rectify this side. As you can see it, and this other side you can also see it. So you want to decide and rectify that so that it doesn't make the measurement look weird. You can do the same thing for this other side too. So just bear that in mind. So I'm just going to go and do this other side. So one thing you guys should notice that the reason why this all of this is being shown is because this is to let you know that your walls are not straight in Archicad. If you are seeing stuff like this, okay, it should just tell you, it should just let you know that your walls are not straight. That particular wall is not straight if you are seeing anything that looks like this. Okay, so just have that in mind. Is that your wall is bent at a particular angle. Anytime you are seeing anything like that looks like this, just bear that in mind that you have to go back and adjust these walls, okay, to fit in properly. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to actually rectify, as you can see. And if I move closer to this side now, it shows me that, look at this, just look at this. I'm just gonna try and move. Okay, as you can see, the wall is not even straight. Look at that edge there. Okay, and look at this. This is not even straight. So I made a mistake when I was trying to use the lines. I think it started from the lines. The problem was from the lines. Okay, so just try your best to make sure that you're trying to make a perfect, okay, a perfect wall. Okay, now for this building, click on this wall, delete it. Click on this other wall and delete it also. Okay, you're going to be extending this wall to the upper side. This wall, we have to make sure this ground floor wall is very straight. Okay, go to the ground floor plan, click on this wall and delete it. Okay, now click on this white stuff to click on the slab, click this edge and move it outside like this. Okay, press escape on your keyboard. Now click on the wall. Okay, click on the wall, click this edge like this. All right, and just come and pick this side. Click on it again and select this, or select this and select outside face. Then press escape on your keyboard. Click this, click on this edge and move it inside back and click this edge. Press escape on your keyboard and click the 3D. As you can see, you won't be seeing that mistake that you made again. Click this, click on the settings dialog, select this and click third story, then click on OK. Press escape on your keyboard, and as you can see, you can't see that mistake anymore. So this is some of the ways, some of the tricks you used to know if your walls are being straight or your walls are not being straight. So we've rectified that. Okay, let's go and rectify this other side here. Okay, click on this one, just delete it. Click this also and delete it. Okay, so let's go to the ground floor where this is located. Double click on the ground floor and it's located around this side. Click the wall and delete the wall. Okay, escape, click on this white space, click this, show it outside like this, click. Okay, now click on the wall, click this edge here, move it like this and just move it outside. Hold on shift on your keyboard while doing that. Okay, so just double click. All right, when you're done, press Ctrl on your keyboard and cut out this side. Okay, click this and try and link this up together with it. All right, click this edge, move it inside like this, then click. Go to your 3D space and you see that has disappeared away from there. So this is to show that the wall is now straight. Click this, click on the settings dialog here and go and select third story. Click on OK. Press escape and you're gonna be having it being shown like this. Okay, if there's any mistake here, all you just have to do is just rectify this by now. Wherever this mistake is, you want to go there and rectify it. So go to your first story first. Okay, so you're gonna be having something like this. Okay, as you can see, so you want to click this and try and bring this inside. Okay, click this also and try and bring this inside like so. Go to your 3D view and that's gonna be gone away. Go to the second story and do the same thing for this side here. Click this and try and move this inside like so. Okay, go to your 3D view. As you can see, that's gonna be gone away from there like so. So you have like a neat view now and a neat drawing. So next, you want to go on this, go and placing the railing for this side here. So for this side now, I just wanted to just hold on Alt, select on this wall. Okay, select on that wall, click this side, drag it like this, and we want to make sure that this wall is facing inside. Okay, so you want to click this outside face, then click this and double click this side like so. Okay, press escape on your keyboard and please note where the what do you call it, where the veranda is, just this side and this side. So you want to click this side, hold on shift on your keyboard and click this side. Okay, make sure that your suspend groups is turned on like the way mine is. Make sure it's turned on. Click this node here, move it down and give a distance of 300. Click enter. Okay, once you do that, I want you to just come to this other side too. Okay, press escape on your keyboard, hold on Alt and select on this wall, click on it, click this side here and just pick this side and double click this side. Okay, now the next thing I want you to do is just click, hold on this wall, click this wall, hold on shift, click this wall, hold on shift, click this also. Now click on the settings dialog and let's change it. Instead of 225, let's give it 150. Click enter. Okay, so that's going to be like so. Hold on alt, select on this wall. Now you also have another veranda at this side also. Okay, so I want to come and place that here. So just click this side, click here and double click that side. Okay, let's do the same thing for this. Click this, double click this side like so. Okay, so you're gonna be having something like that. And let's go to the first story rather. Okay, this side supposed to be cut off. Cut out this side like this and also cut out this side. Go to my 3D view and I'm going to be having the design being shown like this. But since I cut off this side, because initially, you know, I made sure that the wall at this side was linked to the one at this side. So I'm going to actually have to rectify that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the first story and I'm going to try and adjust that. Okay, go to the second story now. I can click this and move this to this side. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold on alt and select on this wall. Okay, click this. Okay, if this is starting at this side, you want to come to click this and change to be outside face, then double click this side. Okay, go to the ground floor and do the same thing. Go to your 3D view. As you can see, that has closed off. Okay, now you want to come and fix in the veranda. That's what we're trying to fix in the veranda. So hold on alt, select this and come to this edge here. Okay, just click this side, click here, click here and double click that side like so. Okay, so once you're done with that, you want to come and fix in the railing for the design. Okay, so now to fixing the railings, what you want to do is just zoom into, you know, this side here. Now you want to come to the design tab here. You want to click on the railing tool, click on the settings dialog and click on this star icon. Okay, we're going to be selecting on this frameless glass railing. Double click on it and click on OK. Okay, once you're done with that, just click this edge, stretch it like this, click here and double click this side. Okay, so that is done. You want to come and fix it for this side also and just click that edge there, click this and double click this side. Okay, you want to do the same thing for this side here. Alright, so we've been able to accomplish this now for the for this particular design. Okay, we'll be able to accomplish this. What we want to do next now is we want to place in the roof for this design. Okay, for also placing the roof now, though even though we've not fixed it because we need to fix in the curtain wall, but we're not going to come and do that yet. Okay, I want us to just come and fix in the roof first. So also fixing the roof, I have to go to the second story. Okay, this is the second story. Come to the design tab here and I want you to select on the roof tool here. Once you click on the roof tool, the next thing to come and do is make sure this icon is being selected. Okay, and this icon is also being selected. Okay, come to this side here, click this and change it to be this one. That's very, very important you do that. Come to this side here, you see this arrow here, click the arrow and change it to be the percentage. Change this one to be 0. Okay, once you've done that, scroll on your mouse wheel. You're going to be seeing a thickness here, the thickness of the roof you want to use, or the design rather. Change this one to be 700. Okay, click enter. Once you are done, come to this side, click here, select this side. Okay, remember you click here, you select this side. The next thing to do is to just click this side. Okay, click here and trace out the pattern of the first story, or of the second story rather, not the first story, of the second story. Then you come back and click this side. Once you do that, press continue. Okay, once you press continue, you won't be seeing the roof here, but if you go to the third story, you'll be seeing the roof like so. Go to your 3D view to check what you did. As you can see, I'm going to be having the design come outside like this. Okay, so the next thing I want you to do is select this. Okay, Now zoom in properly here. Okay, just zoom in properly here. Click on this blue side, click on it, and you're going to be seeing something like this offset edge. Click on the offset all edges. I want to offset all the edges of this particular roof. Okay, so I'm going to select this offset all edges, okay, and just trace it outside like this, okay, and give a distance of 500. Click enter on your keyboard. Okay, you're going to be having all the edges extend outside like that, okay, as you can see. So you want to also model this, so you click on this on the roof settings, you come to this edge here, click on it, click this, and let's look for titanium white. Click enter and click on OK, and it's going to be modeled like so. Okay, you also want to click on it and change the model for this bottom surface. As you can see, click on the roof settings and click this, and let's look for something that's to do with glossy white. Click this and click on OK. So you're going to be having the design being shown like this. Okay, if you look at all around it, you're going to be having it like so. Okay, so that's how I was able to come about that particular design. Okay, now the next thing I want us to come and do is to come and fixing the design for this other side here. I did the design. Let me show you guys what I mean. If I come here, I'm going to be seeing that we have this particular design like this. Okay, so we want to form this design, as you can see, and we're also going to be forming this particular design too. Okay, so I'm just going to try my best to click this. You want to click on this blue stuff, select on the move node, click this and just stretch it backwards and click. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to hold on alt and select on maybe one of all these walls, click on it, click this edge here, and just make sure if it's starting at this side, you want to make sure it's starting at the other side. So click this and change it to be the outside surface, then give a distance of 150. Click enter twice, click this, and let's reduce this to be 150 since this is 150. So let's scroll here and let's change this one to be 150, then click enter. All right, once you're done with that, you want to check what you're doing. As you can see, you're gonna be having something like this. Okay, so you want to try and duplicate this. Okay, for us to duplicate this, we have to go to the left side view of this particular 3D model. So you want to come to this side here. One of this is going to be one of this. So you want to go to the third story and let's look for the left side view, which is the west elevation. Double click on the west elevation. Okay, so this is it here. Click on it. I want you to press Ctrl U on your keyboard. Click on spread and let's give a distance of maybe say 250 and click on OK. Now click this and stretch it like this. So you're going to be having design being shown like this. Click on this railing, click on this node and make sure you click on the move node and move it here, then click. All right, go to your 3D view and you're going to be having design being shown like this. Okay, so that's the way I came about that. So you want to do the same thing for this other side too. So what you want to do for this is click this, hold on shift, click this and click this. Okay, now press Ctrl Shift D on your keyboard to make a duplicate of this. Click that node there, that's this node here, click on it and let's try and come and paste it here. Just paste it there. Now press Ctrl E on your keyboard, click this and move it to the other side, then click. All right, now click. While this is being clicked, I want you to select this and select inside face. So that's gonna come outside like so, so come up all right, press Ctrl D on your keyboard, click this node here, that is a wall node, click this, stretch it, just stretch it outside like this, hold down shift on your keyboard and select this edge of the roof. Okay, once you are done selecting that edge, you're gonna be having it being shown like this. The next thing I wanted to do is to just click on this edge here. All right, make sure you are selecting this stretch height and select this side like so. Click this and try and reduce it to be something around maybe the middle, maybe like this. All right, it's supposed to be something like this. Okay, so you're gonna be having the design being shown like that. So the next thing I wanted to do is to come and perfect the design for this side here. So what you want to do for this side now is you want to hold down Alt, select on this slab you are seeing here, click on the slab. Okay, now just click this edge here. All right, put the cursor here, allow it to load up, and just stretch it to this side, then click. Okay, once you do that, try and just make sure it's showing how it's supposed to be and it's not looking weird. Okay, so click this, and we're going to make a duplicate of this. Press Ctrl+Shift+D on your keyboard, click this, paste it here, press Ctrl+Shift+D again and just paste it here, Ctrl+Shift+D, click this and paste it here. Okay, all right, so once you are done doing that, I want you to select this. Okay, hold on Shift, select this wall, select this wall, select this wall, click on this node here, stretch it down and click. All right, click this slabs you created initially. All right, click on the settings dialog here, come to this toggle, click on it, click this and change it to be titanium white, click enter and click on OK. All right, once you've accomplished that, you'll be having the design being shown like this. Okay, so that was the way I came about that particular design. Okay, now the next thing I want us to come and do is, if you come to the back here, remember that we had a design for this side here. So I'm going to post a picture now. So this is it here. So this is what I'm talking about. Okay, this particular design here, that's what we want to try and make now. Okay, so now for us to make that design now, what we just have to do is just move closer to this side here. Okay, once you move closer, hold on Alt, select on this wall here, just select on it, click this and drag it outside. Make sure it's also in 90 degrees and just give a distance of maybe, I like to be 25 or 20. Click enter twice. Okay, so it's gonna be looking something like so. Okay, now what you want to do next is to just try and reduce this wall. Click on it, click on the settings dialog, change this one right here, as you can see, to be 50. Click enter on your keyboard. So that's going to be reduced to something like this. Okay, you can also decide to increase it. It all depends on your choice. Okay, you can maybe decide to increase it maybe to be 100. Click enter. So that's going to be a little bit bigger like that. Okay, so the next thing you want to come and do is to come to the rear view, go to your third story. Okay, let's look for the way the rear view is. This is the north elevation. Double click on the north elevation and let's try and click this. Click on this node, select on this stretch height and reduce it to be something around this. Okay, press Ctrl+D on your keyboard, click this node and move it to the top surface here, then click. Once you're done, okay, press Ctrl+U on your keyboard. Okay, now before you do this, let's go and fix in windows for this side here. Okay, go to the ground floor. I want you to hold on Alt and select this. Okay, and try and fix in it a window here. Just click like so. Okay, go to your 3D view. Since this is it here, click this. You're going to try and increase this a little bit since this is not a toilet window. So click on the, once you click the window, you click on the node, come here and select on the stretch vertically, move it downwards and give a distance of 17. Click enter on your keyboard. So you're going to be having something like this. Okay, now once you are done doing this, go to the north elevation. Okay, select this, press Ctrl+U on your keyboard, give a distance of maybe I don't really know the specific distance, but I'm just going to try and guess. Maybe let's say use 250 for instance, and click on OK. Select this node here, click on the node, stretch it like this. So as you can see, if you look at it properly, this is too much. It is together. Okay, we want there to be a space in between them. So still clicking on this on the wall, press Ctrl+U on your keyboard. Let's give a distance of maybe 50. Okay, click on OK. Now click this node again, stretch it like this. Okay, and when you reach this side, just click. Okay, once you do that, go to your 3D view and I'm gonna be having that design come outside like this. Okay, so that was the way I came about this design for the building. Okay, now concerning the staircase that you guys saw here, okay, what I did was that I went to the ground floor plan. Okay, and I went to here, you see the object tool, let's do for ladder. Okay, and I selected this one. Okay, when I selected this one, I click on OK. I clicked. Once I clicked, I selected this and press Ctrl E on my keyboard to rotate this. Click this, click this, click this, press Ctrl D again, click this and move it to maybe around this side. Okay, go to your 3D view. I'm gonna be seeing it like this. Okay, so let's go to the ground floor and let's look for where the west elevation is, so we can look for it. So go to the west elevation here, double click on it, and you're gonna be having it being shown like this. Click on the ladder. Okay, let's change this bottom offset story to be -250. Click enter. Okay, now click this node at the top, click on this stretch height and let's move it to the top. Just click like so. Once you do that, press escape, go to your 3D view, and I'm gonna be have it being shown like so. Now the next thing we want to come out is we want to complete the roof design. So for the roof design, it's not yet fully complete, so I'm going to go to the south elevation now. Okay, so I'm going to click on the roof, press Ctrl Shift D on my keyboard, click this node and move it up. Click on this node, click on this offset stretch height, click on it and move it downward and give a distance of 50. Click enter. Alright, go to your 3D view. Now moving closer. Okay, click this again. You're gonna be clicking on this roof that I just created. That's this one, not this one. Okay, click this, click on this edge, make sure you're selecting this offset all edges and give another distance of 50. Click enter. Okay, press escape on your keyboard and try and see what you're doing. Move down and you're gonna be having design come outside like so. Okay, now I want you to just click on the roof itself, click on the settings dialog and click this. You can decide to use any roof, any model you have in mind. Okay, there's a lot of there's few, not a lot of, there's few. So just click this and click on OK, and you're gonna be good like this. You're gonna be having something like this. As you can see, we've come to the end of the the external side. We've tried and made the features for the external side. What needs to be done now is to use the curtain wall to try and make sure to fixing the proper windows for this particular design. Okay, and if you guys come to this side, I want us to come and fixing the stair walls for this side first. Okay, because if you come to this design that we did earlier on, you'll be seeing that we have the stair being shown like this, and it was used. We also use the curtain wall for it. So we want to work on this first, and we're going to come to this other side to come and work on it. Okay, so for us to go about that, the first thing we're going to do is so what you want to do is just go to the ground floor plan. Okay, so the curtain wall is going to be from somewhere around here and move like this to the side here. So let's go to the document section, click on the line to here. Okay, change this to be the normal solid line and just click a point here, stretch like this, click, take it back and give a distance of 1.6. Click enter twice. Okay, click this, click on this node, stretch it like this, hold on shift, pick this line. Okay, click this, delete it, click this and also delete it. This wall also, delete the wall, click this, also delete this. Alright, so bear in mind, if you go to your 3D view, this is going to be cut off, as you can see. Okay, so let's go to the ground floor plan. For this wall here, click on the wall itself. Now click on this node here, stretch it like this, hold on shift on your keyboard and select this side. Okay, once you do that, just press escape on your keyboard. Now the next thing I want you to come and do is go to your document tool here, click on the line tool here. Okay, once you do that, click this, stretch it outside and give a distance of 225. Click enter twice. Click this also, stretch it like this and give a distance of 225. Click enter twice. Okay, just do that so that we don't make any mistake when you are trying to sketch out the curtain wall. Okay, go to your design now, come to the curtain wall, click on it, hold down this and change it to be chained. Okay, now put the cursor here again, allow it to load up. Now move it closer here, click this, stretch it like this. Okay, make sure you do down shift on your keyboard and select this side. Okay, hold on shift and select this side, then double click. Once you do that, go to your 3D view, and you're going to be having the curtain wall being shown like this. Okay, but the curtain wall needs a lot of adjustment to it. You have to make it to look something like what we had here. Okay, so you have to use the settings that we used here, so we're going to be using for this other one too. Okay, so we need to change this. So what we have to do is just click on the curtain wall, click on the settings dialog here. Whatever settings I'm going to be using for this side, I want you to go ahead and also use it. It's very, very important you guys do that. Okay, now come to this side here and change this one to be 2816. Okay, now once you're done doing that, come to this other side here, change this one to be 100. Okay, now once you're done doing that, make sure this is being selected. Okay, and this one is also being selected. Okay, once you're done with that, come and click on this shim. Now I want you to select this. Okay, once you select this 300, click on this minus here, select on it. Okay, change this one to be 1000. Okay, once you do that, come to this side here and change this one here. Okay, since it is in 3, okay, you want to come to this side here to the bottom surface and click on the plus icon. So this is going to be 1 2 3 4, and this is changing to 4. Okay, this side here, this number 1 here, come and change this one to be 600. Okay, come to this side here, also change this one to be 2000. Change this one, leave this one as 15, and come and change this also one to be 15. Okay, once you do that, come to the frames here, click on the frames, click on this corner frame. Okay, select this and scroll up and select this built-in bot glaze frame. Double click on it, click this also, click this and change it to be this one also, click this and change it to be this one also, click this and change it to be this one also. Okay, now select this one also at the first one, that's this corner frame, click this and leave it as this, click this also, click this and leave it as this, click this, leave it as this, click this, leave it as it is. Okay, once you're done doing this, go to the panels. Okay, select this distinct panel. Okay, select this, click this. Okay, now click on the main panel again, select this. Okay, now once you are done doing this, press OK on your keyboard, and once you do that, press escape on your keyboard, and you're going to be having the curtain wall formed with this shape like this. Okay, I'm going to do more tutorials on how to go about that, because I feel like there's a lot of explanation that I need to go into this so that you guys have a clear understanding on how to go about that. But over the years, I've done tutorials on how to go about how to design your curtain wall in Archicad. So I suggest you check the description of this video so you guys have a clear understanding on how to go about that. So the next thing to come and do now is to come and fixing this particular curtain wall for this side and this side. I'm going to go to the ground floor plan. This is the curtain wall, as you can see. I want you to order Alt, select on this curtain wall. Now go to the first story. I want the curtain wall to be placed here. Okay, so what we have to do is you just click on this wall, click on this node, share it to this side. Okay, make sure you down shift and just click. Alright, what I want us to do next is click on the document section, click on this line tool, click this straight to this side. Okay, click on this wall, click this and move it to this side like this. Okay, hold on Control, or rather click on the wall and just delete it. Okay, once you do that, this particular wall also is also going to have the same thing like this. So remember that initially this wall, if you go to your 3D view, what we did now was that what I'm telling you guys is that if you click this wall are the same thing, it's the same thing. Okay, all right, so we want to try our best to try and zoom this one. Just click on this wall itself, click on this node and then click this side like so. Go to your 3D view, you're gonna have it come outside like this. So try and adjust that. That's the reason why I showed you guys initially, so there's no mistakes when we are trying to do our 3D model. Okay, So click on this wall here, click on this node here, stretch it like this, click this and move it back. Go to your second story, do the same thing, click this node, stretch it like this, click this, click the node again and move it back. Go to your 3D view and that should be out of that side like so. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to just place the curtain wall on this side. Go to your first story. Now go to your ground floor plan. Hold down Alt, select on this wall, on this curtain wall. Go to the first story. You want to come to this side here. Select this, stretch it like this, then double click this side. Okay, once you do this, go to your 3D view, and you're gonna be having the design come outside like that. Okay, so the next thing I want to do right now is you want to come and fix it for the second story. Okay. Now to fix it for a second story, you want to go to double click on the second story here. Now click on the line tool, click this side here, that is this edge here. Click this edge, stretch it like this and give it a distance of 1.5. Click enter. Now take it like this, double click this side. Okay, once you do that, hold on Control, cut out this side, cut out this side, cut out this side. Click on this wall, click this node here, stretch it like this, click, hold on Control and cut out this side. Okay. Now click this, delete the line, click this and delete the line. Okay, once you are done doing that, click on this line 2 again, click this, stretch it like this and give it a distance of 225. Click enter twice. Now go to the first story, hold on Alt, select on this curtain wall, go to the second story, select this, stretch it like this, hold on Shift on your keyboard, click this. Okay, hold on Shift and click this side, then click again. Alright, you can start to click this and delete the line. Okay, go to your 3D view to check what you did, and you're gonna be having the design come outside like so. Okay, now if you want to zoom in properly and check what you are doing, so you want to make sure that this doesn't look weird. As you can see, this is not reaching up, so you want to click on the curtain wall, click on this node itself. Now you're gonna see this stretch extrusion height, and also select the upper surface. Okay, so you're gonna be having design being shown like so. Okay, I use a particular design here, that's for this side and this side. Okay, but I used CI tools to design this particular side. Okay, so before I fix in that's the house number, as you guys saw in this, that's this what you're seeing right here. Okay, so that was made with CI tools. I'm going to try and do the same thing. Okay, I've also uploaded a CI tools tutorial, so you guys can have a clear understanding on how to go about this. Okay, if you guys know how CI tools, I suggest you guys go and download the CI tools. It's very important you guys do that, so it makes your work look more neat and faster in Archicad. Because if I should say I should design this manually, it's going to take a lot of time to design this, so I'm going to use CI tools to design this. Now wherever this is being located, okay, you want to go and look for it. This is the first story. Okay, and this is going to be the bar area, so you want to click on this wall. Okay, once you click on the wall, come and select the CI tools here, come to the coverings. You're going to be seeing wall coverings. Click on the wall coverings. Now this is just going to pop up. Once this pops up, I want you to come and select on the panels. It's very important you guys that select on the panels. When you select on the panel, click on OK. Now just move closer to this side, then click. Once you click, press escape on your keyboard, click on this stuff you see here on the CI tools, click on it. Okay, move and select this side. See this side, click on this pink stuff and move it to the side here, click. Alright, now go to your 3D view. You're gonna be having design be shown like this. Okay, so I would suggest that you guys to try and use the settings I used. Okay, if you click on the settings dialog, I wanted to make sure you guys use this same settings I'm using here. Just follow these same settings you guys see here. It's very important you guys do that. So you can decide to click this also, click this coverings, use this same color, that's this color you're seeing here. Click this also, go to the configuration. Okay, we want to change this one now. This offsets up. We want to change this one, use -150. Okay, click enter. So that's going to come down like so. Okay, click on the settings dialog, click this, Make sure this cladding is also paint titanium. It's very important you guys do that, okay? So now for this other side, we're going to do the same thing. Go to the first story, click on this wall, click on the CI tools, come to the coverings, click on the wall coverings, and just select on OK. Then just come here and click. Once you click, select this, click on this node, and just move it to this side here. Okay, click this and just move it to be somewhere around here, like so. Okay, now click again on the wall, click on the CI tools, come and click on the wall over one of the coverings, click the wall coverings, and just click on OK. Come to this side here, then click. Okay, now click again, click on this node, click it and move it to this side here, click this again and move it to this other side and click. All right, go to your 3D view. So this wall is going to be different from this one and this one. Okay, so I'm going to click this, hold on shift and click this, click on the settings dialog, and I'm going to try and click this covering, come to this coverings here, or this configuration rather, and I like this and change this one to be -150, then click enter on your keyboard. So that's going to come down to that side here. Okay, I'm going to change this ones, click this, hold on shift and click this, and I want you to come and follow me and use the same settings I'm using here. Okay, I want you to come click on this configuration, come to the coverings here, click this dotted side, there's this dotted side, click on it. Now select this and look for board and patterns, select this one, leave this as 25, change this to be 300, you can leave this as also 300, leave this as 50, leave this as 20, and leave this as 5. Okay, select on this paint, you can leave it as paint titanium white. Okay, select on this also, and let's look for a color that looks like a brown color. So I'm just going to go with this paint dark gray. Okay, I'm going to select on it, and once I'm done, I'm going to click on OK. So that's going to give me, press escape on your keyboard, so that's going to give me this particular design like so. Okay, so that's the way I came about this design, so just bear in mind. So you can also decide to readjust this. Also go to the first story and you can decide to readjust this, and just click this and just allow it to be like a little gap like so. Click this also, click this and move it to this side. Go to your 3D view and should be something like so. Now for this side, click this, click on the settings dialog. So you want to come to this configuration, come to the coverings. Okay, select this third icon here. All right, leave this as, you want to change this as 18. Okay, also leave this as 50, change this one to be 450. Okay, now change this one also to be 550. Okay, leave this as 50, leave this as 20, leave this as 00, and change this J to be 20. Okay, now this cladding orientation, highlight it and change it to be 90. Okay, now for this paint here, click this and look for a brown color. Let's just go with this paint dark gray. Click this also and let's look for a titanium white. Okay, click on it, and once you are done with all this, click on OK. Press escape on your keyboard, and if you have the design come outside like so. Okay, if you don't like this color, you can decide to go with the paint light gray. Okay, click on the settings dialog, click this, you can decide to go with the paint light gray, that's this one, and click on OK. So it looks a little bit like what we have in the design. Click this, hold on shift, click this, click on the settings dialog. Okay, so it's gonna be looking like so. Okay, so that's where I came about this particular design. Then concerning the numbers, okay, just moving closer here. Okay, and go to the design tab here, double click on this chair tool, that's this object tool, double click on it, and let's look for text. We are going to be seeing this 3D text. Click on it, click on OK, and just select this surface. When you select on the surface, click on the text itself, click on the settings dialog here. Now click on the text 3D settings, highlight this and change this to be 927. Okay, click on the model, click this, and look for titanium white. Click enter and click on OK. So you're going to be having it come out like this. What you want to do next is you want to go to the south elevation so you can see it. This is it here. Click the 9, that's the text itself. Click this node here. Make sure you're selecting this move node and just stretch it like so. Press Ctrl D on your keyboard. Click this and let's move it to the side. Press escape, go to your 3D view, and you're going to be having it being shown like this, but it's too thick as you can see. So let's go to the first story again. I'm going to adjust that. Click this, click on this node and just move it to the side like so. Then click, go to your 3D view, and you're going to be having it being shown like something like that. Okay, so that's why I came about that. For this other side too, we also need to make a CI tools design for this side also. Okay, because I did that in the design, and also for this downside. Okay, for this downside, so you want to click this also, but you want to go to the ground floor plan. Okay, go to the ground floor plan here. We're going to be selecting this one, that's this wall. Hold down shift and select on this wall also. Go to the CI tools, come to the wall, the coverings here, click the wall coverings and click on OK. Alright, zoom, just come to this side here and click. Once you do that, click on this CI tools you created, click on this node, straight to this side, then click. Okay, once you finish doing that, go to your 3D view. You're going to be having it being shown like this. I want you to click on it, hold down shift and click on this one. I want to try and bring it down a little bit. Click on the settings dialog. Click this. We're going to go to the configuration, and here you want to give a distance of 150. Click enter. Okay, so that's going to come down like so. But you want to try and you didn't use this, we used something like this. So you want to try and adjust this. Okay, it's very important we do that. So you want to click this, hold down shift, click this, click on the settings dialog here. Now click this, come to the coverings here, click on it, click this icon here. Now click on this arrow you are seeing here. Make sure you are selecting the panels. Now change this one to be, this one's going to be 25, leave it as it is. Leave this, come and change this one to be 450. Okay, change this one to be 550. Change this one to be, leave this one as 50, leave this one as 20, and leave this one as 0005. Okay, now come to this side, leave this one as paint titanium white. Come here, select on it, and let's look for that paint gray. You can just search for it if you can't see it. So this is it here. Click on it and click on OK. So that's where I came about that particular design. But you can also decide to adjust this. So if it doesn't conform with your taste, you can also decide to adjust it. So just bear that in mind. Okay, you can decide to click on the settings dialog. Where the D is located, you want to increase, maybe you want to increase maybe to be 600 and click enter. So that's going to be having the design come outside like so. Okay, also for this also you can decide to click on this CI tools, click on the settings dialog, and you can decide to adjust. You can change this one maybe to be 450, click enter. Alright, so you're going to be having the design. You can decide to adjust any settings to your choice. Okay, so you're just going to be having the design being shown like this. Okay, so let's come to this side here. Okay, and come and do the same CI tools that we did for, that's this shape here, this design here. I want to come and do the design for this other side too. Okay, so let's go to the ground floor plan. Double click on the ground floor plan. This is where it's going to be located. Okay, so just click this wall here, go to the CI tools, scroll down and look for the coverings. Come and select on the wall coverings, and now let's adjust this. We're going to be using the same panels. As you can see, this one's going to be 25, this one's going to be 50, and this one's going to be 1500, This one's gonna be 50, 20, and this like so. Okay, so once you're done with this, click this, scroll up, go to configuration, change this one to be minus 250. Okay, then click enter. Just come to this side, then click. Okay, once you finish doing that, go to your 3D space. You're gonna be having a design come outside like this. Okay, you can also decide to do the same for this side here. Okay, so go to the ground floor plan. You want to select this. Okay, click on the CI tools, come to the wall, to the coverings, click on the wall coverings, and click on the coverings here, click on the coverings here also. If this is set up, click on OK. Now you just select this side like so, go to your 3D view, and that's gonna be like this. Okay, now you want to do the same thing for this other side too. Okay, go to the second story, click this wall, click the CI tools, come to the coverings, come to the wall coverings, and click on OK. Now select this side. Okay, press escape, go to your 3D view, and you're gonna be having design being shown like so. Okay, so that's the way I came about that design. If this is coming outside, you want to decide to adjust it, click this, click on the settings dialog, click this, and let's look for the configuration. Change this one to be 150, click enter. So that's going to adjust itself like so. Okay, now for this other side here, click this, click on the settings dialog, and click this, and let's look for glossy white, click on OK. All right, so as you can see, this design is actually forming into something that we've been working on. Okay, at least the design doesn't look odd. So if the side is in this shape, so click this. Okay, click this, hold on shift, click this, click on the settings dialog, click this, select on the configuration here, change this one to be 150, and click enter. Okay, so that's going to adjust itself, as you can see. So that's one way to go about that. Now let's fix in the curtain wall because there's going to be a curtain wall this side, and this side. Okay, so the first thing we want to do for the ground floor plan. So let's go to the ground floor plan here. Now it's going to be at this side here. Also come and fix it here. Just hold on Alt, select on this curtain wall. Now come to this side here, click this point here, shade it like this, and then double click. Once you finish doing this, go to the first story. Okay, click this also, shade like this, then double click. Okay, now also on the first story we also have a curtain wall at this side also. So just click this side again, shade it like this, double click. Okay, press Ctrl Z. Just make sure that you are making a straight line. It's a very important. Double click. Okay, so we also need a curtain wall for this other side too. Okay, so we're going to click this side here. Just click this side here, click this point here, then hold on shift on your keyboard, and then just double click. Okay, now let's go to the second story. Okay, we also need there to be a curtain wall also here. So just click here, then double click. Okay, come to this side also, click here, double click. So once you are done with this, press escape on your keyboard, go to your 3D view. You're gonna have it being shown like this. All right, you're gonna have it being shown like this. All right, so we also need to do it for this side here, but if you notice, you can't see inside of the building. So because of the wall is blocking the way, so you are going to have to delete the wall. Okay, all right, so this side has a complete design like this. That's this the ground floor has a complete from here to this side, so we're going to try and adjust that. So I also delete the walls that we have at this side. So let's go to the ground floor plan, hold on Alt and select this. Okay, select the curtain wall, come to this edge here, right at this edge here, click, drag it like this, select this place, hold on shift on your keyboard, select this, come back and click. Okay, now let's delete the walls that we have. Hold on Control, cut out this wall, hold on Control your keyboard, cut out this wall and cut out this wall. Okay, click this node straight like this, then click. Okay, now let's go to the first story, hold on Control, cut out this wall, hold down control, cut out this wall, hold down control, cut out and cut out. Okay, click this, make sure you click on the wall itself, then delete it. Okay, this side here, click on this wall, click on this node, stretch it like this, then click. Press escape on your keyboard, do the same thing for this other side, click this, click on this node, stretch it like this, click, press escape on your keyboard. Okay, now let's go to the 3D view to check what we did. As you can see, we have the design come outside like this. Okay, okay, as you can see, the design came outside like this. So what we need to do next now is for us to come and fixing. Okay, we need to do the same thing for this side here. Let's go to the second story and delete, hold down control and cut out this wall. Okay, let's go to your 3D view. Okay, as you can see, we can see it, but let's try and adjust this at the top surface. Okay, so just click this, click on the node, make sure you're selecting the stretch height, and just click that edge, hold down shift, click. Okay, so you're going to be having it like that. Come to this other side too, I'm going to make the adjustment. Okay, this is perfect for this. Okay, you can decide to hold on alt, select this window. Okay, because we're going to delete the wall for here, so let's go to the second story also and hold on control and cut out the side. Go to your 3D view and let's try and also adjust that. Okay, click this, click on the node here, and let's move that to that side there. Okay, all right. So as you can see, this is a clear, this is the way I was able to design what you guys saw. Okay, the next thing I want to do now is also come and fixing this side here. You have to fix in the wall for this side. So what we want to do right now is just come to this side here. Okay, just come to this side, hold on alt, select on this wall here, pick the wall from this angle, click this side like this, straight like this, click here, stretch it like this, and double click. Okay, now you're gonna be having it being shown like this. All right, so the next thing I want you to do is to click on this wall itself. Okay, hold on shift, click on this other wall, click on this node, select on this stretch height, and just take it up to somewhere around here. Click. So you're gonna be having it being shown like this. Let's go to the ground floor rather. You're gonna be seeing what we just did here, as you can see. So I want you to just click this, click on this edge and move it to this side again. Now the next thing I want you to come and do is just stretch this side like this. Now hold on alt, select on this wall itself, click this node here, move it like this and double click. Okay, click on this also, come and select this and select on the outside face, then double click. Once you finish doing that, hold on control on your keyboard, cut out this side, cut out this side. Okay, once you finish doing this, click this to connect this side, or you can just decide to click this and delete it. Okay, now hold on alt, select this, click this to connect this one and double click. Okay, click this also, delete it. Hold on alt, select this, click this edge to connect this side like so. So you're going to be having this shape come outside like this. Okay, so now we want to come and fixing the curtain wall on this side here. Okay, so what we want to do is you just hold on alt, select on this curtain wall. But before we do that, let's go to your 3D view. Just click this, hold on shift, click this, click on that node, stretch it to that height there and click on it. Okay, click this also, click this and stretch it to that height, then click. Okay, now let's go to the first story. Hold on control, cut out this side, cut out this side. Okay, go to the second story, hold on control, cut out this side, cut out this side. Okay, go to your 3D view and now it's going to be adjusted perfectly, as you can see. Okay, now concerning this side here, we're going to try and adjust this. Okay, because this needs to be adjusted properly. So what we want to do is to just hold on alt, select on this wall, click this node here and make sure I'm selecting the other surface, click this and double click this side. Okay, hold on shift, click this. Okay, and now click on this node that I have seen on that side, click on this stretch height and move it downwards to this side. Okay, now let's fix in the curtain wall here. Go to the ground floor plan, hold on alt and select on this curtain wall, come to this side here, just from this edge here, just click here, stretch it like this, click, then double click this side. Hold on Control on your keyboard. You can decide to cut out this side and cut out this side. Go to your 3D view and you're going to be seeing it like so. Okay, so you don't want this because this is going to make the drawing to look scattered. Okay, so press Ctrl Z on your keyboard to put the wall back. Go to your 3D view. You're going to be having, still going to be having something like this. So what I want you to do now is click on the cutting wall, press Ctrl D on your keyboard, click the node at the bottom surface, move it to somewhere around this side here. Okay, now click this node again, stretch it up and click that side. You can decide to click this again and move it down to somewhere around here. So you're going to be having design being shown like this. The next thing I want you to come and do now is for you to use the opening tool to design this. So that's the next thing you need to do. What you need to do is to just go to the ground floor. Okay, come to where the door tool is, double click on the door tool. Come to the empty door openings, click on the empty door openings, scroll. You're going to be seeing this rectangular door opening, click on it. Okay, and just click on OK. Come to this side here where you want the door to be opened, click. Do the same thing for this other side, click. Now you won't be seeing it, but what I want you to do is just click this inside here, click this node straight to this side, click this and straight to be outside, click this also, click on this node, hold down shift, make sure you're selecting this side here, click this node straight to be outside like this. Now click this edge here, hold down shift and click this. Now click on the settings dialog and I want you to come and use this particular settings. Okay, click on the preview and positioning, change this one to be 6.9 and change this one to be around 1342, then click on OK. Alright, you won't be seeing that, but let's go to the 3D view and you're going to be have it come outside like so. You can decide to know the full height. As you can see, we have it been coming outside like this. So let's try and let's go and adjust that. Go to the ground floor plan and let's change this one to be around 7,000. Click enter again, go to your 3D view and that's going to be something around that. Click on the settings. Let's have to go to the ground floor plan again, click on the settings dialog again, let's change it to be around maybe 7.2, click enter, click on the 3D view and that's going to be something around here. So you want to try and bring that back so that it matches with this one right here. Okay, so you just have to do that so that your drawing doesn't look messed up. Okay, go to the ground floor plan again, click on the settings dialog and change this to be around maybe 70-50, click enter, go to your 3D view and that's going to be perfect like so. We've done this for this side here. Let's try and do it for this other side too. There's also going to be that design being shown here. Okay, so we can decide to go to the ground floor plan and then locate it wherever it is to be. It's going to be around here. Okay, so it's going to be saying something around maybe from this side like this to this side. So what we want to do is just hold down Alt. I'm going to go to the first story, hold down Alt and select on this cutting wall, click on it. Now come to this side here, select a point from this side here, click on it, stretch it like this, click, come to this other side and just double click. Once you finish doing that, go to your 3D view. You're going to be having it like so. So if this design is obstructing it, okay, that's this design that we have here, you can decide to reduce it. Okay, go to the first story, click this, click on the cutting wall itself, click on this node and stretch it like this. Okay, now go to your 3D view, that's going to be short like so. You can decide to come back to the side. If this is fit to the design you want in hand, you cannot decide to come here, click this, click on the node here. You can decide to increase the height, that all depends on your choice. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the, for me to open this now, go to the first story, go to the ground floor plan, hold down Alt, select inside of here to select on one of the opening tools. Now come to this side and just click like so. Come to this other side and just click. Okay, once you finish doing that, click inside here, click this and make sure it merges to this side here. Click inside here also, click this and make sure it merges to inside somewhere around here. Go to your 3D view and you're going to be have it being opened like this. If maybe this side is not opened, you also want to come to this side and come and adjust that for this side here. Okay, go to the ground floor plan, just go to the first story, hold down control, cut out this wall. Okay, go to the second story, hold down control and cut out this wall. Click on this wall itself, click it again and bring it back to click to just merge to this side here. Okay, go to the first story, click this also, click on the node and try to merge with this side here. Okay, go to your 3D view, check what you did. You're gonna be have it being shown like so. The reason where the problem is coming from is the fact that we did not use. If you click on this wall is the same wall. If you click on this wall is not, they're not the same walls. So that's where the problem is actually coming from. So let's try and adjust this one. Go to the first story, click this node and try and click this side like so. Go to your 3D view. Okay, this is for the first story. You have to go and adjust that for the second story. Click this node and try and move it to the side. Go to your 3D view and that's going to be like so, but it's still going to cover this side. Okay, so what you want to do in this kind of situation is for you to click this, delete it, click this, also delete it, click this wall, click on the settings dialog, click this and change to be at the third story, then click on OK. Okay, so you're going to be having design come outside perfectly for you like that. That was the way I came about this design. Okay, so you're going to be having something like this. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to just add in that's a light area where the light ought to be, maybe this side. So you want to double click on the lamp tool here and you want to look for interior lamps here. Click on the interior lamp, scroll and let's go for spots. Click this and click on OK, and just decide to click this here. So you're going to be having a spotlight there. You're also going to be having a spotlight here also. Okay, you're also going to be having a spotlight here. Maybe one is going to be here, one is going to be here, 1 year and 1 year. Okay, so just add the spots where they ought to be for the drawing. Okay, click this side also. Okay, if you come down here, there's also going to be 1 year, and underneath here there's also going to be 1 year. You can decide to model this. Click on the settings dialog, click this and let's look for glossy. Okay, click this and click on OK. So that's going to be changed like so. Okay, now for this also, this design that we did here is the same thing that we did for this side. Okay, so you can decide to, as if you have CI2s installed on your computer, you can decide to do that design. If not, you can decide to skip this area. So I'm going to go to the second story. It's going to be here. Okay, so I'm going to go to the ground floor plan. I'm going to select this. Okay, click on the CI tools, come to the coverings, click on the wall coverings, then click on OK, then just move closer here, then click, go to your 3D view. I'm going to have it being shown like this. So go to the ground floor plan, let's try and adjust this properly. Click this, click on this pink stuff and move it to the other side. Okay, click this also and move it to this edge here. All right, go to your 3D view. So click this, click on the settings dialog. Let's try and adjust this. Okay, change this one to be 1050. Leave this as 550, 20. Just leave all this as it is. Click this and let's go to the coverings here, or go to the configuration here, and let's change this one. Okay, leave this one as 250. Then you click on OK. Now this wall, I want you to delete the wall. Click this also and delete it. Now you have to select this wall so that the CI tools can go up. Click this edge. Okay, click on the settings dialog, click this and click the third story, then click on OK. So that's gonna go up like so. So you can have the CI tools follow the design. Okay, if you can't, if this window coping is also affecting the design, what you can do is to just select on the window itself, click on the settings dialog and click this, come to the window casing inside here, change this one here to be 75, click enter. So that's going to come outside a little bit. Okay, all right, so you're also going to do the same thing for, I think, this other side too. Okay, because it's supposed to be a kitchen window here. So I'm going to go to the ground floor plan. I'm going to go and select this, just hold on alt, select this and let's try and place that here. Okay, go to your 3D view. You're gonna have it being shown like this. Click this, hold down shift, click this, click on the settings dialog, click this, and let's go to the casing inside. Change this one to be 75, then click enter on your keyboard. Alright, so that's gonna have that design being shown like that. Okay, what we need to do next now is for us to model this. Okay, you want to set a model this. So just click this, hold down shift, click this, click on the settings dialog here. Just highlight everything here, click this, and let's look for degree. That's this. Okay, select this to set everything at the same time here and click on OK. Alright, so moving closer here, click this wall here, hold on shift, click this also, click on the settings dialog, highlight everything you see here, click this, and let's look for degree. Click this also, click on OK. So the design is going to come outside like so. Okay, so for this other side, you want to do the same thing. Click this, hold on shift, click this, click this, click on the settings dialog, highlight everything you see here, click this, look for degree. Okay, select this, and select on OK. Alright, so something like this. The next thing I'm also going to do is to click this. Okay, hold on shift, click this, come to this other side too, hold on shift, click this also. Now press Ctrl Shift D on your keyboard. Press Ctrl Shift D on your keyboard, click this node and select, hold on shift on your keyboard and select this side. Now click this and change to be the inside surface. Alright, so that's going to come outside a little bit. So you're going to have a design being come outside like this. So press escape again, come to this side here, click on the settings dialog here, come to this side here, change the thickness to be around, say something around 50, click enter. Okay, so you're going to have design being shown like that. So that's important you guys do that. Okay, you can also decide to maybe increase it maybe to be something around 75 or 100. It all depends on the design. Okay, press escape and I'm gonna have a design being shown like this. Okay, I'm just gonna do the same thing for the bottom surface. Okay, just click this and click this again. Okay, press Ctrl Shift D on your keyboard, zoom in properly. You want to make sure you're selecting on the bottom surface, click this. Okay, and come to the side here and select the side like so. Okay, select this again and reduce it to be at that point here. I like to be 250. Okay, come to this side here, press escape twice, click this, click on this node again and stretch it to this side and click. Alright, then come to this other side, click this, click on this node and just stop around this side like so. This side here, click this, hold on shift, click this, and let's try and just click this also. Okay, you can start to pick this, increase the height, just stretch the height a little bit, just bring it down. Let me say something around I'm saying 390. That's like to be like 380. Click enter. Okay, so that just comes, it just comes down a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, now do the same thing for this other side also. Press Ctrl Shift D, click this node here and move it downwards like this. Alright, now I want to come down a little bit also. Ctrl D and pick this side like so. Okay, click this also and stretch it to be at that height like that. Okay, so you can have the design come outside like this. Okay, alright, now for this edge here, click this, click on this node here, stretch it like this. Make sure you're selecting on this straight length and just pick the side like that. Okay, so I want us to make a duplicate of this one. Click this, press Ctrl Shift D on your keyboard, click this and move it here, then click. Alright, now just zoom in properly here. Okay, press Ctrl D, click that node and make sure it merges with this one. Click this node here, stretch it like this and make sure you select this edge here. Okay, now the next thing I want us to do is to just click this, make sure you're selecting this stretched height and reduce it to be something around 50. Click enter. Okay, click this, press Ctrl Shift D, make a duplicate of this one, click Ctrl Shift D again, make a duplicate of this, click Ctrl Shift D again, make a duplicate of this, and just click. Okay, press escape on your keyboard and you should have that design come outside like so. Okay, click this, hold on shift, click this, click this, click this, press Ctrl Shift D on your keyboard, click this node here. Okay, come to this side here, there's this bottom surface here, just come to this side and just click that side there. Okay, once you do that, you want to try and make sure this switches the other side. So you want to click on that node there, stretch it like this, and just click. Alright, so you're going to be having the design being shown like this. Do the same thing for the other side, as at the top surface. You're going to be having the design being shown like this. So that's how I came about this design, as you can see. Okay, so we've literally come to the end of the video. What remains for me to do is to just I'm going to try and model all this side like this. Okay, because that was the way I did earlier. So you want to decide to model this. Even for this also, why I did this for this side here was I just click on one of the walls, just click on this wall too, click this node and just double click this side, click this, click on the inside surface and click it to be the outside surface. Okay, now click on the settings dialog, let's increase the wall thickness to be something around 600, click enter. So it's going to be something as thick as this. Now what you want to do is to just click on this node here, come to this stretch height and reduce it to be something around here. Okay, then I use the CI tools to design this wall. Okay, then I just did the design I did here on this surface. Okay, so that was the way I did, that's how I went about that. Okay, so let's decide to model our building. So we need to model this side, also. Okay, so click on the settings dialog, click this, and let's look for common. We're looking for brick, so we're going to select this and click on OK. Alright, now click this wall, click on the settings dialog. I want to come and select this end surfaces and click on OK. So you're going to have a design being shown like that. For this other side, you want to do the same thing. Click this, click on the settings dialog. If you look at this inside, this brick is not supposed to be the same thing as the brick here. So you want to decide to cut this wall. So select on this node here. Okay, now hold on shift on your keyboard and just select this side like so. Once you do that, the wall is going to be different from this other one. So you can decide to click on the settings dialog, click this and click on OK. So that's going to be white, like as you can see. Okay, though it's going to affect the design here. So what you want to do is you want to go and manipulate the drawing. Okay, so that your drawing can come outside perfectly. For this wall now, since this was going to be giving us problem, and this is on the first story, you want to go to the first story here. Okay, I want to try and adjust that. Click this. Okay, select this, try and reduce this just a little bit. Okay, to be cut off away from this wall. Click this also and try and bring it closer to this edge here. Okay, now go to your 3D view and that's going to be closed off like that. Okay, so that's just some of the tricks you can use when you're trying to design in Archicad. Now let's try and adjust this slab here. Okay, go to your story here. All right, we're going to try and cut off the slab away. So click this. Okay, if you click this, I'm going to be clicking on the slab, and don't forget we are on the first story. So once you click this, come to this split tool, click this node, stretch it like this, click and click this side. Go to the second story, do the same thing, click this, click on the split, click this node, stretch it like this, click and click this side. Go to your 3D view. Now what I want you to do is to just click on this side. Okay, hold on shift and click on this side, click on the settings dialog. This edge here, click on it and change it to be the common. Click enter and click on OK. Alright, so you're going to be having the full design come outside like that. Okay, so that's the way I went about that particular design. Now for this side also, you want to do the same thing for this other side too also, because we also did the brick design for this side and this other side. So you want to go to the second story. Now click this. Okay, click on this blue stuff again, hold on shift on your keyboard and just select this edge surface here like this. Okay, that what it does was that it just split the wall into two. Okay, this wall and this one, now they are different from each other. Okay, so you also want to decide to click this and move this away from that side so that can be adjusted properly. Click this also and just try and reduce it a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, click this also and try and move this closer to this side like so. Okay, so just a little bit so it doesn't spoil the design. So come to this other side also, click this, click it again, make sure you're selecting this insert new node and just hold on shift on your keyboard, then select this edge here. Okay, now click this again, since it's already split away from the surface, click this and just give a gap, small gap. Okay, now go to your 3D view, click this, click on the settings dialog here, click this and let's look for common, click enter twice. Okay, as you finish doing that, just come to this side here, click on it, click on the settings dialog, click on this end surfaces and click on OK. Alright, so the design is going to come outside like that. For this other side, do the same thing, click this, click on the settings dialog here, click this, click and let's look for common, click enter twice. Alright, so you're going to be having design being shown like this. Okay, you also need to add the slab here for this side here. Okay, it's very important you guys do that, so let me just do that for you guys. Hold on alt, select this, click this, stretch it like this and click this. I want it to come to this side here. Okay, or you can just decide to just click this and come to this stretch height, click on it and just select like this. Click this, click on this offset edge and just reduce it like this so they can, clamp it so easily. So let's go to the ground floor plan and place it at this other side too. Go to the ground floor plan. So this is what we just created here. Ctrl Shift D, click this, move it to this side here, click, press Ctrl E, click, then click this side. Okay, now go to your 3D view and you should be having something like this. Okay, now before we come to the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can place in the windows and the doors for the curtain wall. Okay, so there's going to be windows here, a window 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 here also. Okay, so for you to go about that, click this. Okay, click on this edit. Now click this square that's just this shape here, come and select this built-in panel, click on it and look for window. Okay, just scroll and look for a window, maybe this one, double click on it. This place is not going to be having the window being fixed there. If you guys want to design this window, maybe you don't want the window to be like this, click on the window, click on the settings dialog, click this, click on the model attribute, double click on this, click this and look for metal iron, click this also, change to be the metal iron, click on the model attribute. You can decide to also add window handle, just click on this, click this also. You can decide to come to the opening lines, double click on this and untick this one, then click on OK. So you're going to be having design being shown like this. Okay, you can decide to order Alt, select this, press Ctrl Alt and select this side of the panel. So there's going to be a window here and a window here. Press Escape on your keyboard. All right, so you're going to be having the two windows being placed like that. So that was the way I placed the windows. Now for this other side, you want to do the same thing. Hold on Shift, click this, click this, click this, click this. So let's try and model this side also. Come to this side here, okay? Just this side here, just come to this side here. I'm just going to try and... So click on the curtain wall, click on Edit. Alright, click this middle line, that's just this middle one here, and delete it. Click this also, delete it, click this, delete it, click this, delete it. Now you have a big space now. You can start to come and fixing a door here. So click this panel, click this, and let's go for a door. Maybe this or this. Just double click on it. Click on the settings dialog. Click this, click the model. And that's how to fixing the door. You can start to come and fixing the windows here, maybe a window here and another window here. It all depends on your choice. So just click this, press Edit, click this again, hold on Shift and click that side, click the panel, double click on the window, click on the settings dialog, click this. That was the same thing I did for this other side here also. Click this on the curtain wall, click on the Edit, click this middle side, delete it, click this, delete it, click this, delete it, click this, delete it. Okay, click on this edge here, on this panel now, click this and let's look for the door, double click on it. Okay, click on the settings dialog, click this and just press Escape on your keyboard, and that is how I came about that. Okay, so I'll suggest you guys also do the same thing for this side and for this other side also. Okay, if you guys want to decide to model this, just come to the document section here, come to the creative imaging, come to the photo rendering settings. Now select this, click this, click this, click this again, click this and change the besides tutorial window, click this. Okay, now you can start to click this to see a quick preview of what you want to render. Now to see it on a more bigger scale, click this. Now you can start to cancel this and that's going to render for you. As you can see, it is rendering for us. You just have to wait for a few seconds and that's going to give us a perfect look. As you can see, it gives us the perfect look. So this is the perfect renderings, as you can see. All right, so I also need to say something for the beginners. If you guys want to decide to export your work, we're on the ground floor now. So if you guys want to decide to export this drawing, you can decide to just click on the mark to highlight this. That's the area you want to export. Just highlight it, press Ctrl P on your keyboard, click on the black and white, click on the fit to page, click on the page setup, click on the A3 or A4. You can decide to use any one of your choice here. You can decide to use maybe the landscape or the portrait, and once you are done with it, just click on OK, click on print. Now it's going to ask you where you want to save it. So I want to save it to the desktop here. I want to add the file name to be ground floor, since this is going to be the ground floor. Okay, I'll just save it as ground floor and click on save. Once it saves, go to your desktop. Okay, I'm just going to go to my desktop, and this is the ground floor. I'm going to double click on the ground floor now, and I'm going to be having the design being shown like this. Okay, so this is how to export your drawing in Archicad. If you guys don't want to be seeing this right here, you can also decide to adjust it. Okay, all right, it's all to your choice. And also, if you want to have a clear understanding on how to design, how to export your drawing, I suggest you check the description of this video. I did a lot of explanation on that. Okay, so if you guys decide to adjust this, just click inside here, click this node and move it closer to this side. Click this also, click this and move it closer to this side like so. So that's the one way to adjust that. Okay, do the same thing for this other side also. Okay, so that's how to adjust that so it doesn't spoil your work. Go to your 3D view. If you are done with that, please don't forget to save your work. It's very, very important you guys do that. You want to come to the file here and you want to click on the save. So you make sure you save your work so your work doesn't crash, because if your work crashes, it will be difficult for you to recover it if you don't save your work. So try and save it and you'll be good. Thanks for watching. If this video has been of help to you, kindly like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Thank you.